Welcome to Lesson 4.2, Manual Verification Techniques. In this lesson, we'll explore how human analysis plays a crucial role in verifying digital content. While automated tools are useful, manual inspection often reveals details that software can miss. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how manual verification works, why it matters in digital forensics, and how to apply practical techniques to examine videos and images carefully. These skills are essential for anyone working in fact-checking, investigations, or media verification. Manual verification is the process of carefully examining digital content to confirm its authenticity. In digital forensics, this step is critical because even small manipulations can completely change the meaning of a video or image. Unlike automated detection tools, manual verification relies on close observation, logical reasoning, and attention to detail. It helps investigators preserve evidence integrity and detect subtle signs of tampering. Frame-by-frame inspection. One of the most powerful manual techniques is frame-by-frame inspection. Instead of watching a video normally, analysts examine each individual frame separately. This allows them to detect small inconsistencies, such as sudden lighting changes, unnatural movements, or objects that appear briefly and disappear. Often, manipulations are invisible during regular playback but become obvious when slowed down and analyzed carefully. This method strengthens the overall verification process by uncovering subtle alterations. Tools for frame analysis. To conduct proper frame analysis, investigators use a combination of tools. Video editing software allows analysts to zoom in, slow down footage, and enhance specific sections for closer inspection. Forensic software goes deeper. It can analyze metadata, detect edits, and compare different versions of a video. Additionally, online verification tools help cross-check sources and validate content quickly. Together, these tools support, but do not replace, human judgment. Comparing videos. Another essential technique is comparing the suspicious video with known authentic footage. This helps establish whether the content matches verified events. Always cross-reference videos with reliable sources, such as official statements or reputable news outlets. At the same time, evaluate the credibility of the source sharing the content. Verification is not only about what you see, it's also about who is sharing it. Methods for comparison. When comparing videos, focus on details. Look closely at shadows, lighting direction, object placement, and background elements. Small inconsistencies, like mismatched colors or unnatural object positioning, can indicate manipulation. Effective verification requires patience and careful visual analysis rather than quick conclusions. Checking source credibility. Verifying content also means verifying the source. Ask yourself, does this source have a history of accurate reporting? Do they cite evidence? Are they transparent about their information? A credible source usually maintains consistency and demonstrates a commitment to fact-checking. Understanding a source's history helps you assess whether the information is trustworthy. Inconsistencies to examine. When analyzing images or videos, pay attention to small physical details. Look at teeth for unnatural positioning or color changes. Examine the eyes. Reflections and alignment often reveal editing errors. Check jewelry for sudden changes or missing elements between frames. Inspect clothing patterns, seams, and textures carefully. These subtle inconsistencies can expose manipulation that might otherwise go unnoticed.